Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you a video here on how to create your ringtone for your iPhone right here on iTunes. Basically, you just, let's say whatever song you like. Let's say this one for example. All right, you just right click on it, go to Get Info, and here you'll see Video Sorting Info Options. All right, and you just gotta put in the start time, and it can be whenever you want, or depending on what piece you want, and it has to be exactly 30 seconds. All right, so let's just select, and it'll be at 34 then. Just press OK, and now you just right click again and click Create AAC Version, and it'll be done. Now you just, now you just drag it onto your desktop, and you'll see it right there, and you can go ahead and delete that one. Yes, and I know it's kind of annoying, but you always gotta remember to uncheck those two, because now your song will always play from there. Alright, once you're here, all you gotta do is change the file format. Since it's a M4A, it needs to be M4R. Remember, M4R. Alright, so it's just there. Open back iTunes, go into the ringtones tab, and just drag it in. And that's it. There's your ringtone right there. There's your ringtone. And it'll sync up, and no problem. Alright guys, that was another video. Remember always to rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace.